In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require login in Microsoft Forms. Only people in my org. If you want your form to stay internal, so only colleagues in your organization can fill it out, you'll do that by adjusting the access level in Microsoft Forms. This ensures every responder is authenticated with a work or school Microsoft 365 account before they can even open the form, keeping results secure and tied to your organization. Start by opening your form in a web browser at forms.office.com. Make sure you're signed in with your organizational account, not a personal one. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the page for the option labeled Collect Responses. Click it to open the Send and Collect Responses panel, where you control who can access the form. In that panel, you'll see 3 access choices. Anyone can respond allows public access and doesn't require sign-in. Only people in my organization can respond requires every participant to sign in with a work or school account from your tenant. Specific people in my organization can respond narrows it even further, letting only named users or groups inside your organization access the form. To require login for anyone in your organization, select Only people in my organization can respond. As soon as you choose this, the form will prompt anyone who tries to open it to sign in with an organizational Microsoft 365 account. This prevents external users from viewing or submitting the form. It also means responses are associated with authenticated users, which can improve data integrity and make follow-up easier. After setting the access level, you can copy the share link from the same panel and distribute it through your usual channels, like email or chat. The setting takes effect immediately, so anyone clicking the link will be required to sign in first. If you ever need tighter control, say limiting responses to a specific department, remember that the Specific People in My Organization option is available in the same place. A couple of quick tips for smoother setup. If you don't see these access options, confirm you're using your organization's account and not a personal one. In some cases, administrators manage sharing policies, so options may be limited based on your organization's governance. Also, be aware that when login is required, forms can record the respondent's name from their account, which is helpful for tracking and accountability. That's it. Open your form, go to Collect Responses, choose Only people in my organization can respond, and share the link. Your form is now restricted to authenticated users in your organization.